this video we are discussing about the prediction of food category. Now let's start. At very beginning we have imported the libraries, that is Panda and NumPy, and here we have imported our CSV dataset from the GitHub. Here you can see that, and here we have printed the first 5 rows of our data set. Here this is the first 5 rows of our data set, and in this step we have printed the information of our dataset, uh, like is there any row containing null value or not, and data types of the rows, like here fruit category is in 64, fruit name is object, like that. And the and in this step we have printed the statistical information of our data set. Here you can see count, mean, standard deviation, mean, and 25%, 50%, 75 max, like that. And here we have printed in number of rows and number of columns. Is there is contain 59 rows and 6 columns, and the columns are like fruit name, fruit category, fruit name, fruit weight, fruit length, and fruit color score. In this step we have counted like uh, how many values contain first, like first category, second category and third category. For second category there are 25 24 rows, for first category 19, for third category it's 16. And in this step we have grouped our data set by the mean of fruit category. Now here we are defining our dependent and independent variable. So here we have to calculate the fruit category, that's why we have defined this is dependent variable, fruit category is dependent variable. And for x it is independent variable, so we only require fruit weight, fruit width, fruit length, and fruit color score. So we have dropped this one, fruit name, and this is our dependent variable. Now in this step we have trained our model using train test split from sklearn. Like for testing purpose we have choose 30% of our data, and training we have choose 70%. Here is the train test size, like for train shape is 41 4, like 41 rows 4 column, and x test 18 rows 4 column, and y train like that 41, and y test is 18. Here we are training our model, so we have trained our model by using logistic regression model from sklearn. So here we have fitted our data set x train and y train, and max iteration is 500. And in this step we are predicting the values, and here we have predicted the values, and the shape of prediction is 18 rows. And here you can see the prediction, that is third category, first category, second, third, first one, like that. Here you can see, and this is the probability of each class. Here you can see by using um, dot predict prob method. And this is the evaluation of our model. So this is the confusion matrix. We have imported first confusion matrix and classification report from matrix, and here we have printed the confusion matrix. Here you can see this is the confusion matrix, and here we have printed the classification report, like the precision for the first class, second class, and third class, recall value for the first, second, and third class, F1 score for the first, second, and third class, and this is the accuracy of our model, which is 89%. Now we have taken a sample row from our data set, like this one is the sample. Here you can see the fruit category is 2, and these are the rest of the data of that row. So for our prediction purpose we need only fruit weight, fruit length, and fruit color score. So we have predicted for that one sample rows, and we have got fruit category 2. Here 2, you can see here it is 2, and real it is also 2. So you can say that our model is working fine. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.